Actually, I should be.
Hey guys, what's going on? JDM here, and welcome back to another new Airsoft video. This week, me and my team decided to head down to OVI and play a little bit of CQB. Now, I haven't played CQB in a couple of weeks, so if I'm a little rusty, and you guys can pretty much see that in the gameplay. I'm not as comfortable as I usually am, especially when it comes to rushing the objective. The objective in this game mode is Team Deathmatch, but due to me not being able to rush, nor some of my teammates, we were spawn trapped, if you can say. Though we did have a couple of people willing to rush up and make the battlefield more even. Now, of course, like I said, since I was still new and still a little awkward going back into a CQB vibe, I was able to still pick off a couple of good kills, including some long-range kills, which you guys will see in the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like that button, comment down below what you like, and maybe subscribe to the channel.
What's up, brother? And
check out some of my other videos too. My name is JDam, and I'll see you guys on the field.
Scan it. Fuck. My bad. No, it was on safety. Oh. Yeah. Okay, one. Stop. He's down. Guy in the building, left side. Nope, he's down too. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Is he there? You not get Good. Now I got hit. Okay. Take it down. Oh, you almost shot me in the dick. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to fall out of you. My bad. Oh. Fuck. Keep something full autoing. It's out of gas. Hit. Behind the wall. Behind the wall. Zach! Left side! Left side! Watching your right. My bad. Didn't mean to overshoot you, bud. Go down. Zach, move up. Left side's clear.